Carlisle Syntex Systems is pleased to introduce Cav-Prime and the Cav-Prime applicator. This video will show how to use the Cav-Prime applicator for maximum efficiency when installing primer. The Cav-Prime applicator attaches to the spray gun and is designed to work with most commonly available threaded roller cages. Inside the applicator box are 2 clamps and a baton with threads on one end. Start by loosening the clamps completely. Lay the 2 clamps on a flat surface and position the gun and baton in the clamps. Tighten the clamps together. Then screw on the roller cage and adjust the roller position as necessary by loosening the clamps slightly. Once the roller and nozzle are properly positioned, tighten the hand screws completely. Once the screws are tight, release the safety on the gun and begin applying primer. Once primer has been applied, if the hose and gun are depressurized or removed from the tank, always use the Cav-Prime hose and gun cleaning solution to flush the hose and gun. Do not use untack cleaner, as this will cause primer to solidify inside the gun. Refer to the product datasheet or the Carlisle website for more information.